How to easily log in to crypto.com. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To begin with, open a browser that you prefer in your device. Search for crypto.com. You'll be redirected to the official homepage of crypto.com. You have to scroll down until you see the option of trade. You can also download the application of crypto.com to do so. Scroll down. Now you have to reach this section. Then you have to tap on the trade option of anything that you want. You may find the option of crypto exchange right here. However, if you cannot see the option just like mine, you can head back from here and search for crypto exchange. Select the option of crypto.com exchange and wait for it to load. If you do not have an account, go ahead and tap on sign up. Once you tap on sign up, you have to fill out this layout form that includes your name, country, trading volume, and your personal information. Tap on submit once you are done filling out this form. However, if you already have an account and if you have to log in, just go ahead and select the option of login, which will be at the very top of the screen. Go ahead and select the option of login. In order to log in, you will have to enter your account credential. That includes your email address and your password. If you have the application of crypto.com in which you are already logged in, you can just scan the code through your mobile device, and with just a tap, you'll be able to log in to your crypto account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.